Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our new location of 1443 Banks Road. And what do we have today? Well, we have a Ford Lightning, and what do we do? Well, come on over here. Let's take a look here. We did two things. We did the rough country rolling hardcover here, and we also did a Bedrug Classic, which completely does the bed. But we'll start with the rough country. It's one of the newest products from Rough Country, and hopefully I'll have this on the website. We're trying to put a link on it because I know a lot of people are like, I tried to get a link and it didn't have a link. But this gentleman just called me up and ordered it, so that's the easiest way to do it. Now this, again, you can look on here with some of the differences on this one compared to some other ones. One thing is the price is going to be less than some of its competitors. Now it's not going to sit flush. It sits a little higher than the other ones. Also, there's no vinyl on top or TPO material. It's just the straight matte black metal, which I actually think is a really nice look. So let's go ahead and take a gander inside here. As you can see, we did the Bedrug as well. Now this has your release mechanism. If you notice, there's a driver's side and a passenger side, so wherever you're standing, you can release. Now you can see the seal here, and this is what's going to kiss up to that tailgate, and this is what's going to help keep the water out. So let's go ahead and roll it up here for you. And this rolls all the way to the front here. Now this does not eat up any space in the bed, which is really nice. And also it does not block your camera over there, which is very nice as well. Now you can take a good look at the bed rug over here, and you can see this is a full rug. The whole bed is covered, and that's really good because the bed rugs are good for a Ford product because, as you know, they're not doing steel beds, they're doing a aluminum bed, and this is going to help protect that bed because unfortunately the aluminum beds can dent very easily, and this will help protect the bed. So it's going to help from scratches, it's going to look better, but most important thing, it's going to help that bed stay dent free. Unless you're dropping bowling balls, I don't know. But either way, it's going to hold up real well. But this is a great combination. Of course, I just love the bed rug, and you know, and I do like the rough country. It works really well. Easy to use, great price. Really can't go wrong on this here. Let's go ahead and close it up. All in all, we can get this for you. Either product, you can come here, let's install it for you, or we can ship it to you. We ship all over the country. Now, I'm going to put a link for at least for both, hopefully, if for both. We'll see if this is still on my website because it's new. But either way, you can always pick up the phone, call me. I can go over all this stuff with you. We have a great shipping program. We have 30 plus warehouses throughout the whole country. So wherever you live, Texas, California, wherever it is, we've even been shipping a lot to Puerto Rico and Hawaii. Alaska too. It's hard to believe, but we're shipping everywhere. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. This is the I'm sorry, I was going to say something else. This is the rolling hardcover from Rough Country with the Bedrug Classic. And don't forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with this great new product. Thank you.